Golden Isle area real estate agents. This is Michael Tritthart, international technology instructor out of North Texas, but I'm going to be in your area Friday, February 6th. And the best part about the day, you're going to earn 6 hours of Georgia CE credit if you join us for the full day. Now we're going to start the morning with the Realtors AI Playbook. I'm going to walk you through how to use ChatGPT for your business, how to also rank effectively on ChatGPT and other AI systems. And then we're also going to do lead magnet mastery as well. You're going to have the ability to apply these techniques right there in the class. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet. This is an active workshop environment. We're going to take an in-house lunch. We're going to come back in the afternoon and we're going to do Become Google Great. This is probably the most powerful class that I teach. The record is an extra $500,000 to the bottom line in 1 year for one business. You do not want to miss this class. You don't want to miss this day, but you definitely don't want to miss this afternoon session. You have the ability to join us in person with CE credit. You can also join us via Zoom. No CE available on that, but you still get all the great content. So look forward to seeing you guys very soon on Friday, February 6th. Thanks.